Mimi twirled around in her bright socks, whizzing across the shiny kitchen floor. Her eyes sparkled with excitement as she declared, "I want to cook dinner tonight." Mom, always ready for an adventure, smiled warmly. "What will you make, Chef Mimi?" Mimi grinned, imagining a mountain of noodles. "Spaghetti," she announced. She pictured twirl after twirl, sauce drizzle, and noodles piled high. "Let's do it," she said, clapping her hands. Mimi bounced over to the pantry. She grabbed one handful of spaghetti, then two, then three. Piling them high, she said, "More is better." Mom raised an eyebrow. "Are you sure?" Mimi nodded, her confidence huge and bubbling like the pot she was about to fill. In went the noodles, squiggly and wriggly, until the pot was stuffed. Mimi reached for the sauce, glugging it in so fast it splashed. "More sauce means more flavor," she cheered. But soon, sauce and noodles began to overflow. The pot gurgled and bubbled, making strange noises. "Oh," whispered Mimi, looking at the mess about to spill. The spaghetti avalanche was unstoppable. Noodles slid over the pot's edge, sauce splattered onto the stove, and Mimi's enthusiasm melted like butter. "MOM!" she cried, "it's a spaghetti disaster." She stared sadly at the gooey mess. "I ruined dinner," she whispered, feeling her cheeks burn. Mom gently rested her hand on Mimi's shoulder. "What do we do when something goes wrong?" Mimi sniffed, trying to hold back tears. "We fix it." Mom smiled. "That's right. And remember, we never have to fix things alone. Let's tackle this together." Mimi and Mom rolled up their sleeves. Mimi carefully poured out extra noodles, learning that sometimes less is more. Mom stirred gently, helping Mimi figure out just the right amount of sauce. They wiped away the splatters, cleaned the stove, and set things straight. Soon, the kitchen was calm again, full of laughter and teamwork. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.